Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 19th, 2022. We're going to talk about Litecoin today and give you all a pristine, precise area to come in and buy this cryptocurrency, because you guys can already tell from my price chart that the market is going in the way that I expected it to go. I'm going to break this down to tell you all where I am expecting the price to go so that we won't be confused and we will actually be in position to capitalize off of the move. So welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. If you all appreciate it, join the team. Join the community, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss it. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it a buck. You don't want to miss my videos because I am telling you where I think prices are going to go without the confusion. I mean, take a look at the last prediction I did. It was on February the 27th, 2022. Yeah, if you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead, complete this video, and then go back and listen to what I said prior to this one, and you all will kind of see, yeah, he does understand what the market's going to do without the confusion. So who are these people that's trying to tell you that you cannot predict prices? Where are they coming from? Because he's actually the ones that's doing it. Take a look. I was looking for the price in Litecoin to go up back then, and so far the market is still holding to that agenda. Nothing has changed. Even when the market in Litecoin came all the way down here to our support area, I was telling you all then, hey, even if the price in Litecoin was to come down to $97, $98, I'm still going to look for the price to go up. So initially, the price in Litecoin did go up the first 2 days after I did the video. It did go up. You guys can see it. But then it came back down. And again, the buyers still came into the market in Litecoin right here. So you should not have gotten out your position. The market tells you what you need to do. You simply just need to follow the market. Right here, the market told you on March the 8th, don't cut the position yet because the buyers are still here. And imagine if you would have got into the market right here where I told you that support was going to be, you'll be up right now 16%. Just that simple. But so many people don't want to trust the charts. So many people don't want to come through and believe what they see on the chart. They want to think some other thing outside of what the market is telling them to think. You cannot act that way when you come into these markets. You think the way the market thinks. So currently, this market is going according to plan. There's nothing else that we really need to come through and talk about except how high you think the price is going to go. That's the conversation for today's video. How high do you think the price in Litecoin is going to go now? Since we already got the overall trajectory correct, yeah, price is going up. So how high do you think it's going to go though? Let's figure that out, because this market here in Litecoin is still pretty strong. Yeah, I'm not going to say massively strong, but it's still pretty strong to where we can expect the continuation of prices going up. Look at this. You see that 3-day price bar right there? That's the confirmation that this market is trying to go up. Because outside of these three-day price bars right here that the arrow is pointing to, these were opportunities that the sellers should have dropped the price, but they didn't. So they had a total of 9 days to try to break this $97, $98 price level. 9 days. And they wasn't successful. And how do I know? Because of this 3-day price bar right there. So we just simply need to follow the market. It drops clues and ideas to us every day. Right there. That's why on this current 3-day price bar, the market is still reflecting to us strength. Now you guys can tell that I got a restriction area, ultimate TP price. TP means take profit, TP. Right there around 120. So that still gives us around 11%. Right? Outside of 120, zooming out this price chart, where do you think the next logical price target would be? Outside of 120, if we're looking for the market to continue to go up in Litecoin, right? Outside of 120, the next level is going to be there around 125. So let's take a look at this on the 5-day. You guys can tell the market strength is being seen. The only issue is this level right here, 116. I think the price is going to break 116 to the upside though. So I'm still geared for the market to at least go up to that 120 price level. and then possibly at 125. Okay. Now, we still got a day and 8 hours left on this current weekly price bar, but let's just say, for instance, the market ends today. The weekly price bar concludes today. And if it looks this way right now, then yeah, I'll definitely anticipate higher prices in Litecoin. No doubt about it. So now let me go ahead and show you all the expectation, because I really don't want everyone to become complacent. You have to understand, when the market flips, you need to flip right alongside with it, and you need to believe what you see on the price chart, right? And this is the last 2 weekly price bar into the market in Litecoin here. Okay. So the further out in time we go, that is being more prevalent of the weakness that we are seeing. We can see a lot more weakness on the chart. So even though the smaller time frames is indicating to us that price is going to go up, you got to look at this from a longer term basis as well, because we're still seeing weakness into the market in the longer term. The only thing that is able to keep this price from really falling in Litecoin, you all can tell, is this $98 area. I mean, these last 3 completed 3 weekly price bars, that's 9 consecutive weeks. 9 weeks the market has held $98. That's a clue, because people are actually deploying their actual money in these markets. And if the price is not falling below $98, then people are simply buying. That is the only thing that can stop price from dropping, is you got to have a monumental amount of buyers. They have to come in and hold price. And so far, they've done a fantastic job of holding around $98. So longer term though, they can't hold it forever. So either the price in Litecoin is going to have to break out, go up, or it's going to break down, go down below 98, right? That's it. So I don't think we have that much time in order for Litecoin to continue its upward movement. Okay. But I'm still going to play this trend from a daily time frame. And as you all can tell, it really wasn't that far that I was looking for the price to go. The first area is still at that 120. I'm still looking for the price in Litecoin to try to top out around that 120. That gives us around 10, almost 11%. But if we continue to see strength, then the next level will be 125. Okay. So I'm going to bring it up here to that 125 level. And that gives us around 15.25. And that's it. So I'm anticipating that the price in Litecoin is going to continue to go up. I'm going to extend this out possibly into April time frame, just to give us opportunity to let the market work itself out. And that's it. I'm done. So now you're part of the team, right? On this particular channel, I give you all the opportunity to give me your price prediction, your price target as well. I don't want you all just to be listening and trying to pay attention to see what I can offer to you. No, we all need to share in this community. So I want you all to drop me a comment and tell me, where do you expect this market price to go in Litecoin going into the month of April? All right, just try it. It doesn't hurt to try to be a predictor, to try to forecast where price is going to go and see who's right. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.